I'm Alexandra, home editor at Chatelaine, and what I love to do is make spaces look really beautiful without spending a lot of time or money. First step, we're going to clear everything off so we can start with a blank slate. Wallpaper is making a serious comeback, and I'm obsessed with the removable kind. Bold patterns and colors are a great way to define a small space. I love restyling every few months, mostly because I'm obsessed with knickknacks. It's what's going to make this room really come to life. Anyone can do this without dropping a ton of cash. It's just about curating what you already have around your home. See you next time.